Hello and welcome to this new video on how to cancel Agoda non-refundable booking. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Agoda official website, and this is the interface that is shown to you when you have logged in and signed up successfully. And when you're inside this interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon. Just click on that icon and a pop-up box will appear. And you just have to click on bookings, and booking section will be appeared right in front of you. Now look at the left hand side of the screen. You just have to click on my bookings, and my bookings section will be appeared right in front of you, and here will be the list of bookings that you have previously done. Now you just have to click on the cancel button. It will be near the booking that you have previously done, and when you click on the cancel button, your booking will be cancelled. But in case of non-refundable booking, you won't be able to get the booking price back. So this is the only downside of cancelling the Agoda non-refundable booking. So this is how you can cancel Agoda non-refundable booking. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.